Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to complain of the blisters of hands caused by working at the grindstone, for she had come to know that slaves had come in his custody, but she could not find the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So she mentioned it to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha apprised him of it. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us while we had lain on our beddings. So we intended to get up, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, stay where you are. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat between me and Hazrat Fatima until I felt the coolness of his feet on my belly. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, shouldn't I tell you a thing better than what you both are demanding? When you have entered your bedroom or taken your beddings, pronounce Subhanallah, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, 33 times. Alhamdulillah, all praise unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, 33 times. And Allahu Akbar, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest, 34 times. So this is better for both of you than a servant. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5361.